This is Wrexa Edge, an AI-powered exam platform built for the way people actually prepare. Practice real exams on the exact interfaces you'll face on test day, then rehearse the interview that comes after. It starts with the catalog, over 1,800 exams, from SAT, GRE and GMAT, to NET, JE and hundreds of professional certifications. Every one is rebuilt on the real testing board interface, College Board, NTA, Pearson VUE, Prometric, and more, pixel for pixel. And every exam comes with 10 mock tests, completely free. Open any exam, and you're inside an authentic test environment. A live sectional timer, a question palette, mark for review, and negative marking, exactly like the real thing. From a physics problem on the NTA skin to a clinical vignette on the Prometric skin, the experience matches exam day, so nothing surprises you when it counts. The moment you submit, Wrexa Edge grades your attempt and turns it into insight. A topic heat map shows where you're strong and where you're leaking marks. Per question timing reveals where you slow down, and a predicted score tracks you toward your target, attempt after attempt. Clearing the written test is only half the battle, so Wrexa Edge rehearses the interview too. Choose from real hiring loops and government boards, Google, Amazon, TCS, and dozens more, each one mirroring that employer's actual interview structure. And your very first AI interview is on us. Then you sit across from a full AI panel, a loop host, a coding interviewer, and a hiring manager by text, voice, or video. They probe your weak topics, follow up when an answer is thin, and adapt in real time, just like a real board would. When it's over, you don't just get a score, you get an evidence-backed report. Every rating is tied to what you actually said, with clear strengths, the exact gaps to fix, and a model answer to learn from. It's the honest feedback a real interviewer rarely has time to give. And if you run an academy, a college, or a training business, the whole engine can run under your own brand, your logo, your domain, your students, with on-device proctoring and a live admin dashboard for every attempt. Wrexa Edge. Rehearse the exam, rehearse the interview, and walk in ready. Every exam gives you 10 free mock tests and a free AI interview. Start today at RexaEdge.com.